What's up, tribe? I hope y'all having a happy hair day. Hey, listen, it's a known fact. I looked the numbers up. 72% of y'all that watch my videos are not subscribers. Do yourself a favor. Subscribe. Because this right here is a tribe that is dedicated to having happy hair, to making your hair look good, to bringing out the best in you, to get your finances right, to grow wealth. So be part of the tribe because we growing. I want to get up to 500,000 subscribers, and the only way I'm gonna do that is by your help and giving y'all this knowledge. So if you know someone that can benefit from this video, do me a favor right now. You can stop it. Hit the send link and share this video. Now let's get into it. I've been getting asked this question a lot because I made a lot of videos about foil shavers. And yes, foil shavers are great for your facial hair. They are good for getting all the hair up your face and taking it down to that smooth baby baldness without the bumps. But a lot of y'all ask me, hey Garrick, if I went over my beard, goatee, or mustache with the foil shaver, will it cut it bald? Because it's cutting my facial hair bald, so will it cut it bald? Good question, y'all. I happen to have an answer for you. But as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you. Let's go. Okay, so you already cleaned your beard, your goatee, or your mustache with the foil shaver. And when I say clean it, doing this. So you knocked it out where it's smooth and you got it down to a zero and it's no facial hair and no bumps. Now the question is, if I take this foil shaver and I go over my beard, will it cut it off? Here's your answer. I'm going to show you. Wish me luck. Ooh, look at that, look at that. So the answer is, it will not cut your beard, your goatee, or your mustache off. What it will do, which is good, it'll get the straggly ends so your beard looks smoother. So you can use this foil shaver as a way of getting the loose ends off your beard. Let me show y'all again. I hope this video helped you. Send this to a friend, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. I'm glad y'all with me, tribe. Ciao!